Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best gear for your game. Today, we're looking at one of the most sought-after mid-range discs in the world of disc golf, the Discraft McBeth Signature ESP Buzzz. This disc is a game-changer for any disc golfer, whether you're a beginner or an experienced player. Let's talk about why it's considered the best mid-range disc golf disc out there. First off, the Buzzz is known for its incredible consistency and precision. The disc is crafted from Discraft's ESP plastic, which is durable and has a premium feel that adds to its glide and stability. The ESP material also gives the disc a solid grip, even in less than ideal weather conditions, ensuring you have full control on your throws. The Buzz's flight rating speaks volumes about its versatility: speed 5, glide 4, turn -1, and fade 1. This means it has a nice, stable flight path with just a slight turn to the right for right-handed players, and a gentle fade at the end to bring it back to the center. Whether you're looking for a reliable mid-range disc for your approach shots or something to help with your accuracy off the tee, the Buzzz delivers every time. One of the standout features of this disc is the McBeth signature hot stamp on the disc. McBeth, one of the best disc golfers in the world, has been instrumental in the design and success of this disc. His personal touch adds a sense of confidence and pride every time you throw the Buzzz, knowing it's a disc backed by one of the sport's top athletes. The ESP Buzz's stability rating of 0.5 makes it ideal for a variety of different shots. Whether you're throwing flat, with an anhyzer, or trying to get that perfect hyzer finish, this disc can handle it all. Its reliability in both calm and windy conditions makes it a favorite among both casual players and competitive pros. The best part about the Buzzz is that it suits all types of players. New players can rely on its consistent flight path to help them dial in their throws, while more experienced players can fine-tune their shots, relying on its predictable stability for those crucial approach shots or tight lines. The ESP plastic also ensures that this disc will last, maintaining its integrity even after countless throws. In terms of looks, the Buzzz is available in a range of colors, and you get the added bonus of the signature hot stamp featuring McBeth's iconic logo. It's a great collector's item, but it's also made to perform at the highest level, which is why it's become such a popular choice for players around the world. So, whether you're aiming for precision or distance, or looking for a versatile disc that can handle all conditions, the Discraft McBeth Signature ESP Buzzz Midrange Golf Disc is definitely worth adding to your disc golf bag. It's built for performance, durability, and consistency, making it one of the best mid-range discs available today. Don't miss out on the chance to improve your game with the Buzzz. It's a disc that can take your disc golf experience to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product analysis on all the gear you need to enhance your game. See you in the next video.